In remote corners of the earth, hidden creatures whose existence is almost legendary. They are not only unique, they are small pieces of natural wonder that are almost untouched by humans. This is a short journey to get to know 5 unique and rare animals that make us realize this planet is much more magical than we imagined. Tarsier, a unique Indonesian primate, is a small creature with big eyes that observes the night world in the forest. Tarsiers have super large eyes that cannot be moved, but their necks are flexible so they can rotate almost 180 degrees like an owl, allowing them to spot threats and prey in the dark of night. This small animal lives in trees as an agile nocturnal hunter, able to jump several times its body length to catch insects or other prey with fast movements. Tarsiers are also communicative with ultrasonic frequency calls that humans cannot hear, making them even more mysterious with the secret language of the night world. Unfortunately, tarsiers are vulnerable and threatened due to habitat loss, poaching and illegal trade, so it is important to know and appreciate this Indonesian natural treasure. The kakapo, a large parrot from New Zealand, is one of the world's strangest, rarest and most enchanting birds, with green feathers speckled with brown, round eyes, an owl-like face and flightlessness. Although it has wings, the kakapo uses them for balance when climbing or landing, rather than flying, due to its heavy body and weak wing muscles, making it a walking parrot. Kakapo are nocturnal birds that are active at night, exploring the forest floor with a keen sense of smell and careful steps in search of fruit, leaves, roots and pollen, with a cute gait. In the breeding season, kakapo males emit a booming sound from their chest air sacs to attract females, making it one of the bird species with the most unique mating behavior. Vaquita, the world's smallest dolphin struggling on the verge of extinction in the waters of the Gulf of California, Mexico, the vaquita, the smallest and shyest dolphin with a tiny body, is a rare and mysterious sea creature. Vaquita only grow to about 1.2–1.5 meters, are smaller than dolphins in general, live hidden in shallow waters, and are difficult for humans to see because of their shy nature. However, the vaquita is the most endangered marine mammal in the world, with numbers of dozens of individuals continuing to decline due to illegal gill nets for totoaba fish, in which the vaquita often gets trapped and drowns. The vaquita is important to the balance of the Gulf of California's marine ecosystem, and its presence signals environmental health, making it a symbol of the global conservation fight. This video invites us to get to know the vaquita, an endangered species that needs help and a reminder that the beauty of the ocean depends on how we look after it. Solenodon, poisonous and amp. Mysteries of the Caribbean. In the tropical forests of the Caribbean, the solenodon is a strange, rare and mysterious animal, looking like a large long-nosed rat, but is actually a poisonous mammal, one of the few species that has natural venom. Solenodon had a coarse hairy body, short legs, and a long, flexible snout for searching for insects, and could inject venom through its lower teeth like a snake to paralyze small prey. These nocturnal animals are active at night, moving awkwardly but nimbly across the forest floor, sniffing while making cheep and click sounds, with fast, unpredictable movements that are difficult for cameras to capture. Solenodon is a living fossil that has existed since the time of the dinosaurs, but is vulnerable to predators introduced by humans such as dogs, cats and ferrets, so its population is threatened with extinction and is now only found in Cuba and Hispaniola. Maned wolf, mysterious, reindeer wolf. From the land of Brazil in the grasslands of South America, especially Brazil, there lives the maned wolf, a unique animal that is often misunderstood, looking like a long-legged deer from a distance, but having the face of a wolf when approached. The maned wolf is the largest canid in South America, not a true wolf, fox, or hybrid, but rather a unique species with long, black, slender legs that allow it to see over the grass of the savanna. The maned wolf's fur is golden red with a dark mane at the nape of its neck that stands erect when threatened, giving it a majestic and mysterious appearance. Unlike other wolves, the maned wolf lives alone, walking alertly looking for prey such as mice, birds or fruit, including wolf apples. In addition to its unique appearance and diet, the maned wolf's voice is also distinctive, emitting a roar bark that can be heard far away at night, not the usual wolf howl. Unfortunately, the maned wolf faces serious threats such as habitat loss, vehicle collisions, and hunting, causing its population to decline and is now considered near threatened, even though this animal is important in the ecosystem, including dispersing plant seeds. Through this video, we dive into the lives of some of the most unique creatures on Earth. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for stories about unique animals from all over the world.